I'm starting this video pretty up close and personal here, aren't I? I'm pretty close to the camera. Hey, welcome back to my channel. Hope you are well. So if you hadn't already seen, you would have seen that I did a little room tour and I thought, you know what? Whilst I'm already at it, yes, I'm wearing the same clothes because I'm just on a roll with the videos at the moment. I thought I would go ahead and do a makeup little tour. What's in my makeup drawers, what's going on, like, ooh. I'll show you my little corner where I have all my makeup. Let's go. Right, I'm coming down. Hey, 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 hey. This is where I get ready. This is like my little corner. I've got bubbles and then little bobby pins, and then in my little chip mug with my Pandora on. Let's zoom in. We have all my little makeup brushes in here. Obviously this one needs washing, that's why I have it out like, hello, please wash me. So yeah, here are all my makeup brushes in little chip, like looking up at them like, hello. I keep all my skincare out because it reminds me like, oh my god, clean your flipping face for goodness sake, woman. Got my hairbrush. I do usually put this away in my drawers, which I'll show you in a minute. Here is my makeup bag. So in here it's pretty gross. My friend Rosie got me this like a few years ago and it's still going strong. So I have this foundation, which I don't really like. I've got my Revolution. Oh, I need some more of that. Oh, okay. Fixing spray, and then I've got my foundations and eyeliners and mascaras and eyebrow pencils. It's literally everything what I use on literally like a daily basis, so it's literally right there, right in front of me. Don't have to go anywhere apart from wetting my beauty sponge. Then I've got this drawer thing. It's not even in a drawer, it's just like a little section thing. This was from B&M. So I've got some Hubba Bubba because I use this as a little prop in some photos, which is actually my YouTube cover photo. And we've got my Garnier. This probably needs binning actually. I've used this for quite some time. Clinique, I absolutely love Clinique. Then we've got Mew. This gets everywhere, so I have to leave it in here. We have a number 7 beauty blender, which I said to myself, wash, and I haven't, so let's put that there. We have got my little grips. Without these, I don't know where I'd be. We've got the foundation from Primark, which leaked. We've got some Girls with Attitude nail glue because I love their nails. Oh my god. We've got eyelash glues, like different ones. We've got Primark, we've got Duo, we've got Allure. We've got 3 different Dermacols. This is the one what went amazing. These are the 2 what didn't go so well, and you cannot see. I'm talking away. There we go. This is Revolution. This probably needs to just go in the bin now. I have more Clinique. This is like this is just amazing stuff. We have some Soap and Glory hand food. We have a clear iPhone SE case. We've got a battery pack, another battery pack under here, a selfie stick, and then we've got a little selfie ring light as well. And then at the back we've got some tissues, we've got a little compact mirror, we've got some pills what I don't even have anymore, and we also have a watch which is broken. And then moving to here, I've already spoke about all this in my room tour, so check it out if you want to see that. Too sure where this is from. My grandma got it for her shop and I was looking for some drawers for my bedroom for my makeup. She was like, you can have these ones, and I think they are stunning. It's like got that worn look. They're a really nice like off grey white colour, and we've got these prints. Each are like obviously different side as well, so whatever prints on the outside is also on the inside. So here's my top drawer. It is looking pretty messy. The drawers don't come out that far, to be honest. So we've literally got at the back here, we've got some little bits and bobs, like dribs and drabs of like mascaras and things. And then I do have 2 palettes under here, or maybe even 3 palettes. I've got a random palette which I don't even know where it's from. Then I'm going into my Urban Decay Gwen Stefani palette, and then I've got my Kylie Jenner burgundy palette there. And then we also have my beauty blender because my cat ruined my other one, so I always make sure it's put in here now. We've got a little bag for all my glitters. I've got my Shawn Mendes body lotion because I absolutely freaking love that. Then going into this little section, we've got little highlighter bits, contours and things like that. And then we're going into palettes. So this one I'm loving it at the moment. I've already done a makeup look and my May favourites, and this is in there, so go check that out. Again, I've got another Revolution palette, a Freedom palette, a Revolution blush palette, my Revolution highlight palette. Then we have 2 Morphes under there, which is my Mortify Morphe 35B and 35P. Yeah, this is like my main one. It's full of eyes, a lot of highlight, contour, and eyes are pretty much in here, and then a beauty blender as well, and then my glitters, because I always use glitters and it's just on the top. Then going into the second drawer, so this is where I keep some other brushes. These are my unicorn brushes. I won't open it up because they are pretty much everywhere right now because I need to wash them. All the fake things, so fake lashes, the fake nails, they are all around in here. Then at the very back of here, I was like for Avon, I used to be an Avon rep, so I do have all these. These are the little testers, so you go to your customers and you take this around with you and be like, oh yeah, tester. So I use all the testers as just generally just normal makeup, and I've got all the numbers on there. But I don't do Avon anymore, but I like to keep them. These are my new favourite eyelashes. Yes, this one's fallen off. It's the Allure Enchanted Flower Power lashes. These are limited edition and they are just so fluttery and beautiful. And then my sister actually got me some mini Soap and Glory Christmas, and I thought I'd keep the box because all my lipsticks and lip liners are all put in here. So I think it's just like the perfect depth. I think I am pretty much filling up on it. So I do need to, yeah, get some more. It was all in order, like lipsticks and then mattes and glosses and pencils and metallics, and you know, I tried to keep it with MAC and Kate Moss with Kate Moss. Sister was out the other day and she needed lipstick, so we were just like rummaging through, and I just haven't gone back and sorted it yet. Then going into this one, this was just a spare one, not gonna lie, but I did get this the other week. I already have had one of these, but actually it broke. This is from Primark, £1. I was like, bargain. I had one of these already. The charms are actually in here. It was where I got like the key, Deathly Hallows sign, and we've got like HP, obviously Harry Potter on there. What else did I get? Oh, I got his glasses. You can just change it up on the necklace. Anyway, I came across this one and it was different. It's the same choker, and then you can just choose it up, or you can actually add, can you add it on? Yeah, you can add on. So this one you've got Dobby, you've got, which wand is that? I think that's Harry's wand, or it's just a wand, but I'm going to say it's Harry's wand. We've got the letter, which I think is super cute. We've got the sorting hat. Oh, he's got his little face in there. And then we also have the night bus as well. Then we have this, which I just pop on. Would have seen this in my skincare routine. And then we also, this is in the wrong drawer. Leave that for a minute. And so is this one as well. This is from B&M. This has just got little bits and bobs in there. So it's just got the little minis, or like testers what I get. So I get like a lot of number 7 stuff. Because I always love buying number 7. You always get little free gifts. In this one I've just got little hair things. Bleach London Rose pencil. This bottom one, it is teeth whitening stuff, which I've ran out, but I want to keep because I'm trying to find the company still online. Then I have my number 7 brush cleaner, and then I have a brush matte cleaner thing. So then the next one is Hair Galore. So we've got heat protectant spray, we've got hair dryer, straighteners, curlers are in there, we've got a bandana, we've got macadamia oil extracts, which I absolutely love, hair glitter spray, we've got hair gel, which is the Shockwave hair gel. Who's that by? It's by Weller. I use this when I want to put glitter in my hair. Drawer. This is the everything of just crap drawer. So we have, of course, you know, pads when people stay over. I've got enough. We've got cotton wool, what I use, which can actually go on my dressing table. An extra pack of cotton wool. We've got eye patches. I absolutely love these. We've got the Avon Planet Spa. I've got the Garnier Rose Water, which I haven't started using yet. We've got some earbuds in here. We've got sellotape. We've got Sudder Creme. We've got all my tans. The perfect. They were from Valentine's Day. From Sainsbury's, and I just kept them because I think they're really cute. We have got wet wipes, we've got a tanning mitt, we've got razors, oh my goodness, more tanning stuff, more tanning stuff. This cute little thing, which is what I got for Christmas. More tanning, we've got some Dream sleep spray. And then what is in here, in my little pug, we've got the Soap and Glory spray. Oh, I was looking for this the other week. Damn it. We've got some shimmer spritz, and we've also got some body and massage oil, which would look nice obviously in the summertime to put on your legs. You know, if you want to get your legs out, just pop that on. So yeah, that is everything. I really hope you enjoyed the video. You're still pretty up and close, but I'm very sorry about that. You're gonna have to deal with it. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed the video. Just a quick run through of what I have in my makeup drawers. That's what I have pretty much. I really hope you enjoyed the video. Please remember to go subscribe. It would mean so much to me. You don't even understand how much it would mean to me. Go check out my other videos. I'll leave a few in the link down below, like my recent ones, what probably all linked to this. And yeah, I really hope you have a great week, and I'll see you again soon on my next video. I love you lots. Bye.